Londoners are being warned about a shortage of black cabs in the run-up to Christmas. I'm sure you know all about this. The firm that makes the manganese bronze is having a few problems, to say the least. A lot of cab drivers in London want to know whether you could put off them having to change their cabs after 15 years for a while. Just suspend it for a year, maybe. Is there any chance of that?
This is really interesting. The people that the Mayor and we are very concerned about, there are 300 and something nearly brand new taxis which are off the road currently because of a steering box defect.
Yeah.
And the Mayor and we have written a very strong letter to the London Taxi Company, which is in administration, and the Price Waterhouse, who are the people who are dealing with the administration, to say it's very urgent that they deal with those cabs, because they're cab drivers who bought the cab quite recently and can't use them, and we're very bothered about that. At the other end of the scale, you've got cab drivers who knew perfectly well and have known for some time that their cabs will be taken off the road at 15 years for the benefit of air quality in the city, and there are currently new Mercedes cabs available for purchase or rent, and actually if your cab is coming up to 15 years old, you've known that for some time, there is no evidence to suggest that there aren't any cabs to replacement, and I'm sure that people whose cabs are coming up to 15 years have thought about it well in advance.
So you won't suspend it?
Not at the moment. There's no evidence that there's a shortage of cabs for them to rent or buy.
Not at the moment, so there's a chance that you might?
Well, what we're pressing the London Taxi Company to do is to remedy the situation of the 300 odd cabs which are nearly brand new, which are off the road.
But if they can't do it quick enough, you might suspend the 15-year limit.
I can't see why we would, so long as there is a supply of other cabs to rent or purchase, and I'm assured that there is, so I'm sure that drivers whose cab is coming up to 15 years will have been saving up in order they can buy a new cab or rent or rent one from the other manufacturer, and so long as that situation is still there, then there is no shortage of cabs.
Peter, thank you very much indeed for your time. Good to talk.